First, let's click on the material you want to set as the background. Change the canvas ratio and also adjust the size of your background video. Next, click on the video you want to add on top of this video. And now you got your overlay video. Next, let's head to the stickers on the left sidebar and choose the sticker you like. It makes our video looks more visually appealing. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We can add another stickers like this as the text decoration. Type in the text, adjust the text size. Okay. And that's it. Then align all the text to the end of the video. Okay, our video looks good now, but it still feels like missing something, right? Yes, our music. Now let's head to the music tab. Choose the music you like. And now let's see the magic. This is how you make an overlay video with BoolVideo. It's just that easy. Go try it on BoolVideo now.